once again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn for Life channel. Today I will show you how to make your home theater become a professional karaoke. So you got one smart TV on the wall and you have the home theaters that is included with the smart TV. So if you want to sing a song, so how you make it become a karaoke? Okay, let's see with me how to do it. First, you need the microphone, and this microphone, it just use your normal USB chargers, your phone, Android phone, USB-C, and you have to connect to your home theater. So let's see how to connect it. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly, that you can just call us on two things, and you just connect with the USB, no, with this input and output. Okay, so we connect input to the TV. We just plug in input. Make sure white to the white color and red to the red colors, and this one is going to the south. If you use your phone, you will connect to your phone. If you use your smart TV, you will find the head jack at the back of smart TV. Okay, so the head jack is here, so you just connect it. Okay, now it's connected from the south, from smart TV, and so make sure the output south is going to the speaker, to the home theater. So let's plug it in. Okay, now it's done. It's going on. Okay, we just turn off the home theaters. Hello. So make sure it's on. And that is put in portable, it means that off player, and that one is YouTube player. So we're going to call the song that you want to sing by using the phone connected to the smart TV. But let me try first if it works or not. So we just adjust the volume. This is my A and B, so you can see this is channel B, so we adjust channel B. Press OK, it's work, and then we just turn the vibrate, or the treble and bass and echo and the music soft. This music soft, it will adjust the volume of the song, and this will be adjust the microphone. Okay, it's done. So we're going to find the music from YouTube by using your phone. The first, you make sure that your Wi-Fi will connect to the same network of the smart TV, and then you go into YouTube application and you can search for any song you want to sing. For example, I want to sing Take Me to Your Heart karaoke. So the song is coming, so you have to press and you remote it, link it to TV. So it go into TV now, and your TV is coming with the song called Take Me to Your Heart. Okay, so you can start singing right away, and you can adjust by your used remote control, and so you can start a thing right now, this one, Girl, tell me where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I'm old. Show me that love is how I gotta do. Show me that wonder can be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today.
Once again.